Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everyone. It's Abdul Azim, and let's talk about today's top story about Shaheen Bagh. Shaheen Bagh grandmothers is one of most 100 influential people in Time magazines. One of Shaheen Bagh's grandmother, Bilkis, who was the part of NRCCA protest, has been named one of Time magazine's most 100 influential people of the year. It's noteworthy that the nationwide protest against NRCCAA is started from Jamia Millia Islamia in mid-December and gradually spread across the country. The most famous of these protest sites was Shaheen Bagh, where thousands of women sat day and night, regardless of the cold and rain, and stood firm in front of the government. Shaheen Bagh inspired 50 cities in India. As a result, women staged sit-ins in hundreds of places across the country and expressed their outrage against NRCCAA, demanded to take it back. The sit-ins in Shaheen Bagh was especially popular among a few long-lived women who took part in 24-hour protest, including 82-year-old Bilkis. Bilkis, who was named one of Time magazine's 2200 most influential people. Leading journalist Rana Ayub wrote in an article for Time magazine, ever since the government of Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has passed the Citizenship Amendment Act in December, she's been sitting there, and it's been going on all winter. Free Bilkis became a symbol of resistance in a nation where the voices of women and minorities were systematically suppressed by the Modi's government's majority politics. Bilkis gave hope and strength to social activists and student leaders who were put behind the bars for standing up for the truth, and they all greatly affected the protest across the country. So that's it for today. If you like the video, share it, subscribe it, and comment it if you want me to speak on more topics. Jazakallah khair. I'll see you in the next one.